Good morning, students. Today's topic is first aid, and under this topic we will study about first aid for cuts and scratches, first aid for major and minor burns, first aid for sprain, first aid for nose bleeding, first aid for fracture, first aid for animal bite, snake bite and poisoning. These all are the topics today we are going to study. So first of all, we will start with definition of first aid. What is first aid means? First aid is the first and immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor. First aid means the first and immediate medical help given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor. We can avoid accident by following safety rules, but still accidents occur. So that the injured person must be given first aid immediately. You can see in the picture first aid kit and the tools of the first aid kit. First aid is immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. So in case of accident or emergency, first of all you should be calm and then disperse the crowd around him or her. First aid can be give reliefs to patient in minor injury, cuts and burns. And in case of severe accident, you should call a doctor or take the patient to the hospital immediately. Okay, first aid can be give in case of cuts and scratches, nose bleeding, sprain, fracture, etc. So first of all, we will study about the first aid for cuts and scratches. Okay, in case of cuts and scratches, first of all, wash the wound with the help of clean water. Clean the blood with the help of cotton wool which is soaked in an antiseptic lotion. Antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon, you have to soak the cotton wool in Dettol. Then after that, press the wound with the sterile cotton to stop bleeding. After the blood flow stops, put some antiseptic lotion on the wound and then wrap the cotton bandage around the wound. If the person fall on the dirty road or get cuts with the rusted iron objects, then he or she should be taken anti-tetanus injection. This is because if dirt and germs enter into the blood, it may cause a disease tetanus. So it is necessary to take anti-tetanus injection. Okay, now we will study about the first aid for burns. Sometimes we get minor burns on hands while working in the kitchen or by any other way. So, in case of minor burns, first of all, apply ice or cold water or running water from the tap on the burnt area. Once the burning sensation subsides, apply an antiseptic cream to avoid infection. A paste of baking soda and water can be applied. Okay, in case of severe burns or major burns, first make the patient lie down on clean bed sheet. Take the patient to the doctor or hospital immediately. Sometimes blisters appear on the burnt area. Do not prick the blisters. Germs will enter through the blister and causes infection. Cover the burnt area with clean piece of soft cotton cloths to protect germs and dust. A clean piece of cloth applied in a solution of baking soda can be used as wet compress. Okay, now we will see first aid for sprain. A sudden fall or hit on particular organ causes sprain. The tissues around the joint or the part get ruptured, causing a severe pain and swelling. That is sprain. Sprain means the tissues around the joints or the part get ruptured and causing severe pain and swelling, and such condition is called sprain. So, in case of sprain, what should we do? We have to apply ice pack. Ice pack means packing pieces of ice in a cloth or in a polythene bag and apply it repeatedly till the pain and swelling subsides. Later you can apply pain reliever spray on the sprain. You might know pain reliever spray like Moo, you can spray on the sprain. Okay, move to the next topic, first aid for nose bleeding. Okay, in case of nose bleeding, make the patient sit upright, keeps his or her head held at the back of the backrest of the chair. Hold his or her nose tightly. He or she can breathe through the mouth for some time. Keep an ice pack on the nose firmly to stop the blood flow. Place the ice pack on his or her head also for some time. But in case of severe bleeding, take the patient immediately to the doctor or hospital. Okay, now we will see first aid for fracture. In case of sudden fall or any accident may cause a fracture in bones. In case of fracture, make the victim lie down. Take a piece of cardboard or any hard base and tie the cardboard with the piece of cloth around the fractured hand. It gives support and restrict the movement of fractured bone. In case of hand fracture, a sling is used to restrict the movement of the hand. Sling is a triangular piece of cloth. Broken hand is wrapped with the sling and tied around the neck. You can see the picture of the sling in the picture. Sling is a triangular cloth which is wrapped around the fractured bone or fractured hand. Okay, now we will see the first aid in case of animal bite. In case of dog bite, monkey bite or scratches, cat bite, wash the wound of the victim with the help of soap and water immediately. This is because the saliva of animal carries germs. Apply an antiseptic lotion or cream to avoid infection. Take him or her to the hospital or doctor immediately. The doctor may give him or her anti-rabies injection. Okay, now we will see first aid for snake bite. Poisonous snake bite can be fatal, and in case of snake bite, immediately tie a piece of cloth just about the wound so tightly so that the blood cannot carry the poison to the heart. Immediately rush the victim to the hospital or a doctor. Doctor may give him or her an anti-venom injection. Now we will study about the first aid in case of poisoning. You can see in the picture naphthalene balls, pesticides to kill rats, insects, uh, detergent, medicine, kerosene are the poisonous substance. All these are poisonous substance. This should be kept out of reach of the children. If in case of poisoning, try to make the victim vomit immediately so that the poison comes out of the stomach. Rush the victim to the hospital or a doctor without wasting time. Okay, that's all for today, children. Goodbye.